Have you ever wanted to have one of those cool spans on your headlines, but you're just not sure how to do it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how, and it isn't hard, and it's not going to take long. Now, I'm using the new 2.0, so, yours may be laid out a little different, but it's going to be the same. All right, you can see I have a simple headline here. It's just a headline, nothing special. The real specialness comes when you are able to pinpoint part of that headline. And we can do so in the actual headline. Here we will, just before this, it says learn how to have a span effect. So why don't we put the word span effect in a span? So we will just type in span. I'm actually using an Apple keyboard right now. And then you can paste it here and then just close the tag. So in other words, you're just wrapping whatever you want to be inside of that specialness as in a span tag. Okay, so now once that's done, all that we have to do is come down here. We're going to type in R and press tab, which gets you the root. We'll put curly brackets, and on the first thing we're going to do, let's put some padding in it. And we'll do, I don't know, 1 rem and 2 rem. So 1 rem on the top, 2 on the side. I'm using rems because this is a sample site and I just don't have anything installed, like any framework or whatever. And then we're going to want a background color. So we'll just type in black background color. And you know what? I'm going to be really lazy. I'll say red. Now, on purposely, you notice this went across the whole thing. And you'll also notice that because of this bloody weird magic keyboard, I typed in wrong. So the point is, the root is selecting the entire element, but we don't want to do that, do we? We want to select that span inside of the root. So all we have to do is, instead of the root selector, we're going to go root space span. And there you go. Now you have it. And you can do anything that you do in a regular division inside of that span within reasons. So in other words, let's say you want, I don't know, border radius. No problem. You can do, I don't know, we'll say 5 rem. That seems a little much. I've been using frameworks too long. So you see how you can really change everything. Now, not only can you change kind of the peripheral, what's going on around it and behind it, but you can also change the actual thing itself. So if I want to do color white, there you go. So you're able to change the color of the text, but also if you wanted to, you could do a text transform on that. Text transform of uppercase. And there you go. So as you see, not a hard thing at all. This was not meant to be a long video, just a short little thing to help those that are just trying to do a simple little change on their headlines. And hopefully it helped you out too. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that crap. All right, have a great weekend. Bye now.